I affirm that the project work titled Brain Tumor Surgical System Using Robotically Assisted Diathermy. The main focus of this work was design, development and implementation of the competitively robotic arm with enhanced control. The robotic arm was designed talented to accomplish accurately simple tasks, which will be integrated into the embedded platform that serves as an assistant for medical operation workplace. The robotic arm system consists of simplified robotic arm structure similar to the human arm, which can be controlled by a surgeon during tumor surgery. The simple and innovative robotic arm movement section is designed using the motors and processors etc. Hope positive, this is the first proposed robotically assisted brain tumor surgery unit in the world. The BeagleBone Black is the latest addition of the BeagleBoard family and like the predecessors is designed to address the open source community, early adopters and anyone interested in the low cost ARM Cortex-A8 based processor. In our hardware unit we are using the 4 ports analog input with pulse width modulation which will be interconnected into the servo motor. Each of these degree of freedom is controlled by an actuator. The human arm is considered to have an 5 degree of freedom. These consist of 5 rotations. For low noise amplification, device can be forced into the fixed frequency pulse width modulation using the 12C interface. In normal operation, they can operate using the 100 microamps each. The 5 volt direct current rails and connect to the expansion header. It is possible to power the board using the expansion header from the add-on card. Provide the row address for active commands and the column address auto pre-charge bit 810 for read-write commands. Servo refers to an error sensing feedback control which is used to correct the performance of a system. The RC servo motors usually have an rotation limit from 90 degree to 180 degree. The servo motor can be moved to a desired angular position by sending the pulse width modulation signal on a control wire. The servo understands the language of pulse position modulation. A pulse of the width varying from 1 millisecond to 2 millisecond in a repeated time frame is sent to a servo for around 50 times in a second. A width of the pulse determines the angular position. In this configuration, the board is powered by a PC via the provided USB cable. No other cables are required. Here we are using the Linux operating system in kernel 3.8.13 and also we are using a software Node.js, means a Node JavaScript coding. Version of the Node.js software is 0.8.22. We need to open the putty configuration in it. We are entering the host name or IP address 192.168.7.2, port number is 22 and SSH protocols are connected to enter the kernel. First let us look at them. First process which is used to open the server. Here we look for 2 processes. The first process is to open the server. We want to enter the username and password. We are in need to choose the desktop prompt, hence the desktop is selected and enter is given. Finally the server is connected to BeagleBone Black successfully. We want to open the next putty configuration and also doing the same process, connect the desktop version and which is interconnect between the pulse width modulation in the servo motor, but in this process we want to connect the socket with the BeagleBone Black ports. Then the socket is opened. Finally PWM configured successfully. The 5 pulse width modulation system which is interconnect to the servo motors configured successfully. Now we are ready to use the robotic arm. The word cap comes from the shape of the board as it is fitted around the Ethernet connector on the main board. Here we consist of 2 rows, P8 rows connected to the server using 13th pin. P9 is connected to the 4 servos using 4 pins 14, 22, 28 and 42. The analog pulses are generated at the processor connected to web server. According to the analog pulses, the servo motor will be operated. Now it is connected to the web page. This is wired communication process. We go for wired communication than wireless because it wireless techniques like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the strength may be less, hence we go for wired communication. If servo is not only if servo is on at the shoulder, consider the operation of the shoulder servo motor. When pressing the servo motor on the response of PWM1, the operation is seen here according to the movement given. Then the arm is moved. Next we will see the elbow movement and then we will see the wrist movement. Continuously hand and gripper movements. We will assist the robotic arm. The operation will be performed. From the result of analysis, discussion and affect the selection of the best models can be made. The number of degree of freedom can be identified by the number of actuators on the robotic arm. Each of degree requires a motor. The problem related to the robotic arm performance being analyzed to get the real factors affecting robotic arm performance. The current development within the field of robotic surgical robots, robotically assisted heart surgery described here is a step in a right direction. In the surgical system, there is no chance to move the robotic arm will move on their own. The doctor will assist the robotic arm, so the surgical system is very safe. The robotically assisted brain surgery will play an important role in the medical field. Thank you.